Hello guys, namaste from Tarot Days 369. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and tuning in, thank you for watching this video. If you are liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notifications. This is a general timeless reading, so if you are interested in one-on-one personal readings, you can always contact me for further inquiries. Today's reading is for the Aries out there. So I have pulled three cards for your career, love, and money aspects. So we'll look what are the messages today for the Aries. So in your career, Aries, it's looking like you are leaving for somewhere else. You know, you are into transition. You are moving out of probably a stressful job situation where so much of drama going on around you, and it's mentally draining you a lot, you know. So you are moving towards a more calmer you know water, I would say, in this cards context of the sorts. That means you are going towards a new profile, or either you are changing your job, or you are changing maybe the city you are currently staying in. So you might be relocating to a new city altogether, or a new profile of job in terms of your career. Hmm? And it is like a very stressful situation, and you are very much overburdened by things, and so much of conflicting energies around you, you know at your current job, workplace. And it is time to protect your energy. So at least mentally you are thinking so, and you have decided mentally you are ready. You have made all the plans, and this is actually a little slow process. It is a gradual process, because unlike your basic nature Aries, they want instant action and instant results. This is a little contrary to that, because you need to move gradual. Okay. And on your way to that pace, you are being guided by a good mentor. You having that someone, a well-wisher with you, so you can seek some advice from them. Okay. Possibly a good mentor, a good counselor. So, or you can tune into your own higher self maybe. So that's a good thing on the way. Although you know the Aries are very prideful, so they never ask for help and very independent. But it is shown here that you need guidance on the way, and it's definitely worth it, when you move out of this toxic work culture, because the next destination where you are leaving for, it's looking more calmer, where wherever you are currently, you know, compared to that. So it's good that the current scenarios no longer serves you. So it's good that you detach yourself. At least in your mind you have done that already. So yeah, just plan wisely before uh, don't jump to new things. You know, uh, just plan things wisely, and take that guidance and trust the process. It's good where you're going. And in terms of your love, so it's looking like you are stuck in a relationship, or at least in your head. So this is like a self-sabotaging situation where, with that blindfold, you're not willing to look around and see what's actually going on, because that those are your self doubts, your self beliefs, your limited belief system. And this is mentally trapped situation. It could be like you're feeling like okay, you got stuck in this relationship. It could be you're in a situation where you are not able to speak your truth, or you speak your mind completely. So you need to remove that blindfold and see clearly. the forward path where you want to proceed further. You are emotionally, in that emotional stagnant energy. Either you are you Aries are very vulnerable, uh, so in terms of love, when it comes to love, so they don't want to expose themselves, that they are okay, their vulnerability they don't show openly, because they are tough, they are independent, and those beings. But you here you are afraid, okay, if you speak your mind you might hurt the other person, but until and unless you do so, how would you know? So it's not actually you are stuck, it's just that your mind is um being stuck there. So just confront your thoughts and your fears, whatever you want to say, just say it openly, and don't self sabotage, and it's like, if also if you're single and you may be thinking of approaching someone, so you are already overthinking that and doubting yourself, probably feeling like, okay, you may fear the rejection. Okay, you might get rejected by the other person. So it's not actually happening, it's all happening in your mind. So it is like a mental cage for you. So just break free from there, and stop these self imposed barriers, and just move forward and see what happens. That's for your love. And in terms of your money, everything's looking very good. You're consistently putting those efforts. You're showing your mastery in your craft, your your profile, whatever work you do, and building something very stable, financially. And your hard work will show up very soon. You are being that perfectionist while doing your craft, you're building your skill, and you're very disciplined in your approach, so your money is looking very good here. You're building your long term wealth with those efforts and focus. You're very focused here, and your money is definitely gonna come with that much of dedication you're putting in your work. Okay, so also it's good time to invest in enhancing your craft, whatever you do, whatever work you do. So do some certifications, or take training, and or more education on what you do, so it will boost your earning power. So it is the card is very good. The pentacle card came in your money rate, so it's very good. With that pentacle card, money is definitely coming towards you. It will increase your income, you know if you will polish your skills. And now is the time for the last phase for our ancestral guidance card, and the final advice on our Aries reading today. So we have got this Radha part. So it says, rediscover a lost part of yourself. Experience relationship harmony and healing. See, very apt advice from your angels and guides. So, this is a divine feminine counterpart and twin flame of Krishna. She is considered to represent Shakti, the divine feminine, and creative spirit of the universal life force. So, the message for you is loving union, connection, and relationship harmony are key at this time. It's important to remember, though, that relationships won't make you whole. Only your own love can do that, and you now have opportunities to find lost parts of yourself, maybe sensual aspects or the capacity to cherish yourself. The relationships around you will then begin to reflect the love you have for yourself. You know, you deserve divine love, and Radha, with her Shakti presence, is here to awaken this loving connection within you now. So, it's a very good message to, love yourself first, and then balance your own feminine and masculine energies, and then you look out for love. Or and similarly it applies to your career and your money also. Work can be sacred, as when it's aligned to your soul. So definitely you're transitioning, your career and refining your skills and your choices. So it's not on logic always, but or ambitious, but love what you do, or at least bring love into what you do. So just slow down, let yourself feel, heal, and love deeper. And you don't have to fight for everything. Some things are uh, present in they come on their own and not with pressure. So it's time for you. This card is telling you to heal yourself first. Healing is not weakness, it's your greatest power. So that's it for this video, guys, for the Aries today. We'll meet you next time. It may or may not resonate with you, so take what resonates and leave the rest for others to resonate. Like and share the video. That's it for today. Thank you and namaste.